Today's topic has something to do with designing and being creative. It's extremely simple since all you have to do is design PowerPoint presentations and earn up to $300 per hour. Isn't it incredible? I'm sure most of us are already aware with PowerPoint presentations and how to create them. And this position requires no prior experience as well. You just have to know how to make good PowerPoint presentations, have access to a working computer, and of course, internet connection. That's it. All you need is just your creative juices. I'll share with you a website where you can make money just by producing PowerPoint slides. If you've tried making these in the past, definitely this new opportunity is fit for you. So be sure to stick around until the very end of this video to learn more about this website, how to apply, and other procedures and details you should be aware of. And welcome to the channel where I teach you methods on how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Now let's get started. The website that I'm talking about is nomoreplatform.com. Depending on how well your PowerPoint presentation performs, you can make between $8 and $10 using the website. You can typically make $1,450 up to $2,000 a month with this website on average. But keep in mind that everything hinges on two things. One, the caliber or quality of the content you generated, and second, the quantity of PowerPoint presentations you can create in that time. This website has a lot of potential. They already pay you that much merely for making a PowerPoint presentation. I mean, who wouldn't want that? So to get started, you must visit their platform. Once you're already on their website, you can see a window where you can compute your potential earnings depending on the amount of time a week you're willing to commit in working for the website, and likewise, depending on your proficiency level. You can choose to work with just a minimum of 10 hours per week or 40 hours per week. Just remember that this affects how much you earn from this website. What's good about No More is that you don't need to personally contact clients since their project manager will do that for you, so you can just concentrate on making money. You'll also be provided a feedback for every project that you complete. The feedback is based on a 1 to 10 rating and would be very helpful in improving your work. And you'll also be providing a feedback to their project manager. You'll basically grade the project manager after each project. At No More, you can focus on PowerPoint visuals, no research, web design, or other services. The projects you choose to work on and the number of tasks you take on each month are entirely up to you. No matter how experienced a designer is, you need to learn the No More way. And this is why experience is not stringently required on this website. You just need to know and follow their standards. They also provide you with some videos that'll help you do better on the platform, so it's nothing much to be worried about. Just make sure that you watch and understand what they want in the project. So basically, you just need to follow 3 steps to start earning from this website. The first one is to register. You just provide your email address and don't forget to read and agree the terms before registering. The second one is to pass the test. Basically, all they do is test your proficiency in making PowerPoint presentations, if you follow the instructions, and if you apply the standards that they want. Then you can join the No More team as soon as you pass the onboarding test. The last step is to execute projects. You can work whenever you want and finish as many projects as you like. Now, I will guide you through each step. The first step is to register or sign up. You just need to click on the red sign up button on their website. Input your email and password and then click on register. No More now has 1,000 plus vetted designers and 60,000 projects executed since 2016. After you clicked on register, they will ask you to confirm your email. They'll provide you with a link that'll redirect you to the application process. They'll provide you with a list of requirements that you need to meet and accept the conditions before beginning the procedure. After you've read the list thoroughly and meet all minimum requirements, confirm that you've read and accepted the terms and conditions. Then, click on Confirm, and you'll be asked 2 more questions before you can proceed to the actual onboarding test. The questions are regarding how you get to know about the website and the country from where you reside. After you answer, just click on the Confirm button to proceed. In a moment, we will proceed to the 3 core steps you need to accomplish to get accepted. I hope you're still watching actively. Although the application is a bit time-consuming, the processes in itself are not that difficult. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. So there are 3 core steps that you need to accomplish to get accepted. The whole process will take at most 2 to 3 hours to complete. But there's no need to worry since the application process doesn't have to be finished completely at once. After each step, your results will be saved. So the 3 core steps is an IQ quiz, test preparation, and PowerPoint test. For the IQ quiz, there will be a maximum of 12 questions and 5 minutes to answer as many as possible. There's absolutely nothing to be concerned about their IQ test because all of them are just basic questions that can be easily answered for any age group. And the results of the IQ quiz won't significantly decrease your chances of getting the job. The most important part is the practical test. So the next step is the preparation step. Again, No More is not looking for experienced and stellar designers, but people who know and understand their ways and standards. This makes the step very crucial before you start the practical test in the next step. Make sure that you really pay attention and take note of what they want for the projects. They provide 3 videos that you must watch. The videos essentially discuss more on their design principles and standards you need to follow when you create your designs, the do's and don'ts, and usual mistakes that need to be avoided. After the videos, they'll also provide you with 2 PDF files for the guidelines on how to make good PowerPoint slides and examples of PowerPoint presentations. Both files are downloadable so you can study them anytime you want. Make sure that you study them well so that when you proceed to the PowerPoint test, you can apply their guidelines and you'll have more chances of being one of their designers. After you're done and feel like you're ready for the practical test, you can go ahead and proceed. Note that you can only take this test once and you only have up to 3 hours to complete the last step. In this step, you'll be given 2 different tasks and a client guideline that you need to follow. So this is where you start to apply all that you learned and incorporate your creative juices to create a good PowerPoint presentation. And once you're done with the 2 tasks, you can upload it and click on Submit Result. You'll also be asked to write a comment on the reviewing admin and the fictive client, and just hit the Submit button once you're done. And that's it! You only need to wait at most a week for a response from them. Once you've been accepted as their designer, you can already start earning money from No More. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!